Good afternoon. I'm Diane Macedo. We're coming on the air because ABC News has learned special counsel Jack Smith is officially moving to drop the January 6th election interference case against President-elect Trump. He's also expected to move to dismiss the classified documents case against Trump, possibly as early as today. Smith charged Trump last year with plotting to overturn the 2020 election and illegally storing classified documents at his Mar-a-Lago estate. But the Department of Justice had signaled it will not prosecute a sitting president, and Jack Smith has said he plans to step down as special counsel before Trump takes office. During the campaign, Trump also said he would fire Smith and his entire team upon returning to the White House. Let's get right to ABC senior reporter Catherine Falders. Catherine, what's the latest?
So we've been reporting, of course, that special counsel Jack Smith was looking at the mechanisms in which he could wind down these two federal cases, the January 6th one and the classified documents one. So today, what we're learning through a filing that has just come out and posted on the court's docket, Diane, is that Jack Smith is asking the judge in a motion to dismiss, to essentially dismiss the case, that they are going to throw out this case. It's important to point out that Trump was facing 4 counts total here of conspiracy and obstruction. Now, they re-indicted him. They issued a superseding indictment, if you will, back in August after the Supreme Court ruled that Trump was essentially protected of those acts that they found official. So this was the August indictment with 4 counts he was facing. But what's important here is the special counsel signaled through court filings that they were going to consult with DOJ, with the Office of Legal Counsel within DOJ, to figure out and assess how they could move forward with both of these cases, given that Trump won the election. Now, they say here that through that consultation, that they believed that after careful consideration, and I want to read this, the department determined, DOJ determined, that prior opinions concerning the Constitution's prohibition on federal indictment and prosecution of a sitting president apply to this situation, given that Trump is president-elect. They said that the department believed that this case must be dismissed prior to the inauguration. Now, it's important to point out here that the special counsel is not saying that they don't believe that Trump committed these alleged offenses. In fact, they go out of their way to state that in this 6-page filing. They say, the special counsel does, that prohibition, so the prohibition not to charge a sitting president or a president-elect, that prohibition is categorical and does not turn on the gravity of the crimes charged, the strength of the government's proof, or the merits of the prosecution, which the government stands fully behind. But the reality of this is they're asking the judge in this motion to dismiss to toss out the case. They're saying that they still believe the gravity of these charges. The question is, in terms of what's next, what do we see from the special counsel? We know that under special counsel regulations, the special counsel issues a report when their case is closed. So how soon can we see that report? Is it drafted? It has to go through a classification review. That could take weeks. So are they up against the clock here, and do they release something publicly in report form before the inauguration?